Hey guys, how's it going? How to search by code in Shein app. So first of all, download the app, make sure that you update it to the latest version. And in order to get the code or the coupon code, just go ahead and buy, let's say for example, this product, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let's say I want to buy this product right here, right? I'm gonna add it to cart, right? And I'm gonna select the pair, okay, and I'm gonna go ahead to my shopping cart at the top, right? Okay, and then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna proceed to checkout, okay, and then you're gonna enter, of course, your address and everything, right? And then basically go back. Let me proceed to checkout, right? I'm gonna enter my first name and I'm gonna select my location, okay, locate me, right, and into all of your information right here, confirm address, right, into the first name, right, last name, okay, right, full name in English, okay, and then now what you're gonna do, enter your phone number, right, okay, and then if you have alternative phone number, just go ahead and do it. And after you added the address, and just go ahead and select, date of birth and all that, okay. So I'm gonna just go select this, okay, let's say this, yeah, okay, sorry, okay, select the day, make default, then save. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just proceed to the checkout, right? And then this is the important step, right? You're gonna select the parent method, and you're gonna see right here, apply coupon, and you can add your coupons, or one of the coupons, or add right here the coupons that you need to basically proceed to that payment, right? And after you selected the the favorite coupon to buy from, right, you're gonna proceed. Or another way, if you don't have the coupon code or the gift card to have the discount, you could go ahead and check out the coupon ksa.com, right, or whatever region that you're in, and you can search for coupon codes to add to your checkout. Copy the code, right, and then basically you can go back to the official website and try the code that you just copied, right? And you gotta go back to your card, right? Let me close this window, okay, and then let me just, not here, of course, sorry, go ahead to the Shein app, right? Go to your card and then proceed to checkout. Okay, and then we're gonna wait for a few moments, sorry for the connection, and then we're gonna go ahead again to apply the coupon, and then just paste the coupon code right here and just apply it, okay. And you can apply the discount on all of your products that offers that discount, okay. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.